Hi friends, how are you? In today's video, I am going to share the powerful thought process of real life Iron Man Elon Musk and the secret behind his powerful way of thinking. After knowing this secret, you will only say there is no other powerful thought process beyond this. Elon Musk is an entrepreneur with a great vision. Just within 46 years of his age, with new innovation and creativity, he became most influential man in this world. There are many people who established a company and run their business, but the companies and the products developed by Elon Musk are very unique and will be in such a way that it influence and change the entire world. SolarCity, PayPal, SpaceX, Tesla Motors, till now all the invention had break the convention human living models. Getting such innovative and creative ideas and implementing it in real life is not common. Elon Musk turns impossible to possible. After few years taking human beings to Mars planet and constructing a colony in Mars planet is Elon Musk plan. Thought process of Elon Musk begins with first principle of thinking. How complicated the problem might be, break it to fundamental basics is the first principle of thinking. In simple, in order to find the solution to any problem, we need to think from basic with new ideas rather than the knowledge we have about the problems before. In this first principle, we have to start asking questions. By this, we do not follow the rules and method other follows and start thinking differently. From Greek philosopher Aristotle to the printing machine founder Gutenberg, all of them used this first principle of thinking. Many people did miracles by this first principle of thinking. In this modern society, Elon Musk used the first principle of thinking and developed a reusable rocket and established electrical car company. Next, deconstruct and reconstruct. We can resemble the first thinking process as scientist thinking because scientist doesn't come to conclusion quickly. After knowing the topic completely from the base level, then only they will think how to solve the problem. For example, let us take the SpaceX started by Elon Musk. Ordinary people must also travel in rocket was the thought of Elon Musk. For this, he need more rockets. After traveling worldwide aerospace companies, Elon Musk understood that for one rocket he needs $65 million. Commonly, everyone think how to reduce this price, but Elon Musk thought why rockets are so costly. From here, first principle of thinking starts. Which materials are used to build a rocket? Aerospace grade, aluminium, alloy, little titanium, copper, and carbon fiber. After calculating, he got to know that these materials are not even 2% of rocket cost. Then he decided to build a rocket on his own. From then, SpaceX company started. After few days, the SpaceX company reduced rocket price more than 50%. Elon Musk used the formula deconstruct and reconstruct. How to adopt this powerful thought process in our life. Now you might think we don't have money like Elon Musk, but there is no need of us to build a rocket. By using first principle of thinking, we can easily face our daily life challenges. For it, we need 3-step formula. Step 1. Identify and define your current assumptions. If I had an hour to solve a problem, I would spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem and 5 minutes thinking about solution. Albert Einstein. First, identify the assumptions you have. What are the negative thoughts which are limiting you? Suppose, if you want to start a business, in general we have assumption that in order to start a business we need money for investment. Many of us stop at this assumption. Let us take Elon Musk case. He want to start space company. First assumption was money. In order to buy new rocket, he needs millions of dollars. In such a way, how many assumptions are there which are limiting you to reach your goals? Want to reduce weight but no time. No gym near my residence. Want to crack government exam but no time for coaching and money. Likewise, how many assumptions are there in your mind? Write it down on the paper. At one tech talk, Elon Musk announced that worldwide many influential company owner Elon Musk will also get negative thoughts, but this first principle of thinking turns his negative thoughts as good opportunities. So in this first step, identify your fake assumptions, write it down in step-by-step order. Step 2. Break down the problem into fundamental principle. It is important to view knowledge as sort of symmetry tree. Make sure you understand the fundamental principle, that is trunk and big branches, before you get into the leaves details, or there is nothing for them to hang on to. Elon Musk. In 12 years, learned coding by his own and designed a video game and sold. Researched completely about rocket science and started SpaceX company. Elon Musk proved that everything is possible by knowledge and we can do wonders by knowledge. Step 2 tells break down the problem into fundamental principle. It might seem very simple to break down the problems, but for this we have to work hard and patience. Suppose if we take Elon Musk's SpaceX, it takes $65 million for one project. From then, Elon Musk started studying rockets and space technology. After knowing basic fundamental elements of aerospace, by assembling it in low cost, he proved that we can reduce overall cost of rocket. In any field, if we consider knowledge as tree, we have to identify its roots and trunk completely, says Elon Musk. Leaves and branches come later. First we have to identify root and trunk. Next important point is, in order to break down a problem, we should not accept social beliefs. Social beliefs means what people say. It might be your friends, parents, and relatives. For example, if you want a customized t-shirt startup, your parents might restrict you by saying it needs lots of investment. You better get into some job. By following Elon Musk's thinking method, you break down the problem what you need. For business, we need a product, customer for buying product, gateway for receiving payment, way for shipping. If you start thinking in this way, you will solve your challenges which you are going to face in the business before. If you want to get new innovative ideas, first you have to remove the methods which you had feeded before and start thinking from the root level. Step 3. Create new solution from scratch. The person who says he knows what he thinks but cannot express it usually doesn't know what he thinks. Mortimer Adler. Elon Musk's SpaceX company had seen so many failures. 3 rockets were failed. After then, the reusable rocket technique was successful. We cannot take a new solution from scratch immediately. You need to be patient and you need to be committed to the process. For example, leather bags were used in 18th century and basic shape and form was fixed. In 1937, zip was added to this bag. There are no more changes made than this in this product. One day, a pilot named Bernard Sado had seen heavy luggage in a cart and thought it would be better if such wheels were added to the bag. Then only in 1970 rolling suitcases were developed. If you noticed, you will get to know that there is no change in suitcase over 100 years. It changed the functionality completely. If we think about already existing functionalities, there will be no innovation in this world. So Elon Musk asked everyone to habituate first principle of thinking. From a wine pressing machine, Gutenberg had discovered printing machine. Today's jeans were actually designed for workers. For getting creative and innovative ideas, we have to solve the problem from scratch. By using this first principle of thinking, we need to discover new things. If we are facing any problem in our life, start thinking from root level. Then get solution from scratch. You need to solve the problem to get rich. I will tell you a first principle thinking process which I had seen in real life. One of my friend Ramu wanted to get married. For marriage he need lots of money, time and energy, and he doesn't want to waste all of them. Started thinking whether he had to satisfy his parents and relatives or to get married simply as he likes. If we consider this social situation according to the first principle, why we have to get married, what is the need of marriage, starting a relationship between two individuals is marriage. For it, we need an agreement. It might be ring or signature in register office. If this process is done, then a marriage is done. He believed that the rituals which were followed by others from the past will not suit him at current situation and found a solution. He went to register office and got married in 10 minutes. Of course, these decisions are not liked by others. Many people talk in many ways. But think how many members will accept when Elon Musk want to build a rocket? What does an IT company runner knows about rocket science was the question raised by many people. All the winners kept traditional thinking aside and started using first principle of thinking and came with new innovative and creative ideas. Let's revise the 3 steps. Step 1. Identify and define your current assumptions. By identifying your current assumptions and limitations, you will get to know where you are lacking behind. First, find out the wrong assumptions. Step 2. Break down the problem into its fundamental principles. Every problem seems to be big, but when you break your problems into fundamental principles, we will get to know clearly where we are lacking. Step 3. Create new solution from scratch. After breaking the problems, you will get to know where you are lacking and build where you are lacking and find out solution from scratch. If you used old traditional thinking, you will get old results. So start thinking freshly from root level, you will find out new solutions. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is useful for you.